Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete WhatsApp group for everyone. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. First thing you have to do is open WhatsApp and go to the group chat you want to delete. Tap on the group name at the top to open the group info. Now scroll down to the list of participants, so here it is. There you go. So you can't just exit on the group chat because it will still be available for the other members since you're the admin. So what you're gonna do is tap on participant's name and then select remove from group. Just have to do this for each person until you're the only one left in the group. So just do the same thing to the other members. Just remove them from the group chat. Now, once you removed all participants, look for the option to exit group and tap on that to permanently delete the group chat. And there you go, you've successfully deleted WhatsApp group for everyone. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!